chemistry concept videos. In follow with the previous oxidation number method, now we are going to discuss the same equation, how to balance by using half reaction method or ion electron method. Okay, let us now going to balance this with respect to its half reaction method or ion electron method. So first thing, I have to segregate or separate the oxidative half and reductive half. So determining the oxidative half and reductive half is important, but anyhow if you are not aware of that, you just separate the like terms together. Here we are having MnO4 and the same Mn is present here, MnO2, and we are having I minus, same I is present here. So segregating this into two halves. MnO4 minus gives MnO2, this one half. I minus gives I2, this is the next half. So what we have to do first is, we have to balance the elements with respect to central element with respect to its stoichiometry. So first balance the central atom with respect to its stoichiometry. So check here, Mn and Mn, so it is almost balanced, so no need to disturb. On this side, I minus and 2I, so I have to put 2 as the stoichiometric coefficient. Now this is balanced. Next, I have to check the number of oxygen present. Number of oxygen present on the either side. So check here, we are having 4 oxygen, and this side we are having 2 oxygen. As what we have done in the oxidation number method, similarly we have to add the equivalent amount of H2O on the either side to balance the oxygen count. Here we don't have any oxygen, so it's already balanced. The next step, we have to balance hydrogen. We have to balance hydrogen. So to balance hydrogen, we must add H plus on the either side. So here no hydrogen, and here we are having 4 hydrogen. So hydrogen can be added as H plus, 4 H plus, and in this no hydrogen, so it's already balanced. The next step, we have to find whether the reaction happens in acid medium or basic medium. So this reaction happens in a basic medium. So what I have to do, I have to eliminate this H plus by adding equivalent amount of OH minus on both sides. So 4 OH minus is added, and here also 4 OH minus is added, and this together will neutralize to form 4H2O. Okay. This side I am having 2H2O, so I will cancel out this 2H2O and write it as 2H2O. Now this reaction is rewritten as 2H2O plus MnO4 minus gives MnO2 plus 4 OH minus. This side we don't have any H plus or oxygen, so it's almost balanced. So I am writing 2I minus gives I2. Okay. The next step, I have to balance the total charges. So this side I am having the charge here is 0 and the charge here is minus 1. So overall charge is minus 1. And charge here is 0 and here is 4 into minus 1, so minus 4. So the overall charge is minus 4. And here the charges are minus 2 and here it is 0. So what is the difference in charge? This is the difference in charge is 3. So towards the more positive side I have to add, toward the more positive side I have to add the equivalent number of electrons. So I have to add 3 electrons here. And similarly here, this is the positive side. Towards the positive side I have to add the difference. This is 2, so I have to add 2 electrons on this either side. So now check. Here 3 electrons are added and here 2 electrons are given out. So now I have to balance how much amount of electron is given out must be equal to the electrons consumed on the either side. So here 3 and 2. So what I have to do, this side 3 and this side 2. I have to cross multiply. Cross multiplying this equation with the 2, and I will get 6 electron plus 4 H2O plus 2 MnO4 minus gives 2 MnO2 plus 8 OH minus. And that side, multiplying with 3, I will get 6 I minus gives 3 I2 plus 6 electron. So here in the reactant side I am having 6 electron, here in the product side I am having 6 electron, so I will cancel out. Now shall we write the overall reaction? Yes. So 4 H2O plus 2 MnO4 minus plus 6 I minus, that gives 2 MnO2 plus 3 I2 plus 8 OH minus. So this reaction is now completely balanced. So the final step, we have to write the physical state of each component. So here water is in liquid state and MnO4 minus, this is in aqueous state, I minus will be in aqueous state, and MnO2 is in solid state, I2 is in solid state, and OH minus is in aqueous state. So don't forget to write the physical state of each element.